Installing Waco's Insta-Grip no-caulk shower drain is quick and easy. The drain can be installed in less than a minute because it includes an integrated seal, so no need for clunky compression well seals. Here's how to install the testable version. Place a bead of 100% silicone caulk between the body flange and the shower pan. Do not use plumber's putty. Insert the top piece through the hole in the shower pan. Note the screwdriver slots that help to tighten the top piece. From the bottom side of the pan, place the shower drain rubber gasket, then the slip washer, then the receptor nut over the top piece. Securely tighten the receptor nut. Note the Insta-Grip installation ribs that aid tightening. Apply water to the seal for lubrication during installation. Slide the pan with the drain assembly over the drain pipe. Using an internal pipe cutter, cut the pipe at the height near the bottom of the threads showing inside the top piece. Install the test plug. Snap on the heavy-duty grid. Snap on the green protective cover that protects the grid finish and prevents debris from entering the drain during construction. Waco's Insta-Grip no-caulk shower drain includes a stainless steel locking ring that won't back off the PVC pipe during testing. If you would like to remove the locking ring during a dry fit pre-test, simply grab the end of the ring at the gap with the needle nose pliers. The drain is also available in a non-test version that doesn't include the locking ring or test cap.